Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the best products to elevate your beauty and wellness routine. If you're someone who loves the flexibility of at-home treatments or needs a versatile solution for professional spaces, you might want to stick around. Today, we're talking about the SereneLife Portable Massage Table. This isn't just any massage table. It promises luxury, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're setting up in a beauty salon, spa, or using it for physical therapy, this table has a lot to offer. Let's break it down to see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's talk about comfort. The SereneLife Massage Table features premium foam padding that, quite frankly, feel like you're floating on a cloud. Its soft PU leather covering adds to the overall luxurious feel. The adjustable height and liftable backrest are thoughtful additions, allowing for a customizable experience, whether you're lying down for a facial, a massage, or even a tattoo session. It's really designed with both comfort and functionality in mind. Moving on to build quality, this table doesn't skimp on durability. The frame is made from sturdy beech wood, and it's designed to last. The flexibility of the headrest and removable armrests means you can tailor it to suit the needs of your clients, offering both long-term comfort and stability. Plus, it supports up to 495 pounds, so it's suitable for a wide range of users, which is a significant bonus if you plan on using it for diverse services. The setup? A breeze. Despite its professional-grade design, this table is lightweight, foldable, and comes with a convenient carrying bag. The adjustable height settings and widened metal hinges mean you can set it up effortlessly, which is great if you're constantly on the go or need to store it after use. I personally loved how the detachable accessories made it easy to adjust and customize for various treatments. In real-world usage, I tested it for several days across different scenarios, including a facial treatment, a massage, and even as a makeshift tattoo table for some hands-on work. The flexibility and ease of adjustment stood out, especially when switching between different services. Whether you're a professional or using it at home, the comfort and support this table provides are consistent. But it's not all perfect. One minor downside I encountered was the weight. While it's portable, it can still be a bit hefty for some users to carry around long distances. It's definitely not a product you'd want to lug around for hours, but for most, it's manageable. Also, while the PU leather looks great, it can be a bit prone to marking, so you'll need to care for it to keep that pristine look. Now, let's talk about the value for money. At its price point, the SereneLife Portable Massage Table is a solid investment if you're someone who frequently requires a professional setup or you're in the wellness space. The quality, comfort, and versatility definitely make it worth considering. It's designed for people who want a reliable, easy-to-use solution, whether you're a pro or just a DIY beauty enthusiast at home. Comparing it to other tables in a similar price range, you'll notice that this one is better equipped in terms of comfort, build quality, and versatility. The higher weight capacity and the flexible design stand out, making it more suitable for different types of treatments. Some budget options might offer simpler designs, but they often fall short on durability or comfort. As for customer support, I didn't personally have to reach out, but SereneLife has a solid reputation for responsive customer service based on reviews. That's always a good sign if you ever need assistance down the line. As for updates, this product seems well established in its design, and there haven't been any major changes or updates to report. That said, it's always a good idea to check for any product improvements in the future, particularly regarding the PU leather or the frame. If you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, but still reliable, there are similar tables available, but they may lack some of the extra features, like the removable armrests or the height adjustability. If you need something for occasional use at home or a less frequent business setup, you might find those options suitable. In summary, the SereneLife Portable Massage Table is a great choice if you're in need of a professional, versatile, and comfortable solution. Whether you're using it in a beauty salon, tattoo parlor, or for personal treatments, it offers great flexibility and durability. It's a solid investment if you're looking for something that's going to last and provide a high level of comfort for a variety of uses. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.